All right, so here we go. CrossFit, let's have you down on all fours. So look this way real quick. Now I want you to dorsiflex your ankles as you do this. So both hands are directly, on your knees, on your knees, on your knees, on your knees. So both hands are directly under your hips, under your shoulders. Your knees are under your hips, bring your knees under your hips, bring your knees up. No. Bring your knees up here. Knees up here, there you go. Okay? And then dorsiflex the ankles, like so. There you go. 6 points of contact, 2 feet, 2 knees, and 2 hands. Now, get me a dowel quickly, will you please, Tim? I want to show you, because right now, do you see how hyperlordotic he was? That anterior pelvic tilt? We want to have some neutrality here. And I use the word neutrality because spinal neutrality, thank you, is very individual to all of us. So what we have here, 3 points of contact. Head, thoracic, spine, and sacrum. Just lift the arms, drop the back, just drop it. Stop there, thank you. That would be what I would call neutrality. Did you see that? Okay. So from here, here's what we're going to do. We're going to lift opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're going to hold that position for about 3 to 5 seconds. So let's lift across the body. Lift your arms simultaneously with that leg. Will you please? Get your knees down. Cut! He's lifting the whole body up. What you doing, CrossFit? You are not ready. You are not ready for Hollywood. I'm telling you.
You want me to live on the shore?
You need John Lennon? Oh, we need John Lennon back, man. God. All right, let's go to John. Let's give you another opportunity, okay? I'm not being a nice Steven Spielberg today. There you go. That's it. Jeez. Oh, man. Yeah, it's because he's not wearing map cons, you know. That's what happens. So, head. There you go. Bring your head back. Touch the dowel. Head, thoracic, spine, and sacrum. Just drop the arse down just a little bit. Good. Sacrum, thoracic spine, and your head. That's neutrality right there. So we're going to lift opposite arm, opposite leg simultaneously to be horizontal with the rest of your body. So when you're ready, lift opposite arm, opposite leg. There you go. Lift a little higher. That's it right there. Don't want to lift too high so you rotate. Okay, you're going to hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds. Relax there. Let's place those down. And then we're going to go across the body. So come back down to your starting position. Now go for the opposite, okay? There we go. Up again. See how when he lifts higher, it starts to rotate. Here's my cup of tea. Want to keep that nice and level, all right? And relax there. And we're going to do 4 of those. Can you do that for me? 6 points of contact. Do 2 on each side, yeah? And that will be in line with no flexion of the knee. Okay? All good? Just 2 on each side. Nice job. All right, so let's move to the next modification. All right, so let's say your client has been doing this for the last 4 or 5 weeks.